Hey everybody, this is Denise with Art, and I just want to kind of give you a glimpse of the concept that's in my mind for Cat and Moon Project 2, which is basically another chapter in a book. I rather than try to copy these images off the internet, looking at the screen, going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, my printer is running out of ink, and I didn't care. I just needed some outlines that I could utilize with cats, and they're free. So I took full advantage of that, and so I'm going to have 3 cats on a hill. There's going to be a beautiful gnarly tree over here. This is Mr. Sun, who's going to be hanging out here. Now this is going to be the cat's first introduction to the sun, because the sun is basically going to make itself known to the cats. It's always been there. It's always been there. Mr. Moon hasn't spoken yet, but Mr. Sun is definitely going to make himself known in this chapter while they're playing amongst the catnip. So that's where we are. I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, Denise from Art here, and I'm getting ready to lay the foundation for the second chapter in this little book that I got in my head, and the images that I'm going to be probably using to illustrate. So in Cat and Moon Chapter 2, we're going to find Gato with his friends out in the field, and they're going to be listening to the wisdom of the sun, and the sun will be over here, and I showed you in the very first little clip the pieces that I'm going to be putting down here. We're not going to do that right now. Right now what we're going to do is we're going to lay down a gnarly tree, maybe a smaller gnarly tree over here, and that's it, in glue. And my glue guns are ready, and I have 2. I work with 2 glue guns because I don't trust them. I mean, they go out when they want to, and then of course you gotta reload them, and oh my goodness. Oh, see? That's what I'm talking about right there. In you go. It's almost like these trees, they speak to me at night when I'm sleeping. And they're like, I'm a little gnarly, you okay with that? I'll be like, sure, why not? Sure. If you've seen my previous videos, you know I'm not worried about all this little rubber hair, because we can deal with that later. That's hot. Wear rubber. I'm not a kid-friendly show. Alright. Okay. Uh-oh. Eating through the glue, ladies and gentlemen. Eating through the glue. Woo! Spiders! Spiders! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's hot too. I'm telling you. Woo! Ow. Crazy. Okay, let me unwrap all this webbing from my hand here. And I want this cool just a little bit because I want to redefine the gnarliness. It feels like a spider's web all over me. Crazy. Okay. Tic-tac, patty wet. Alright. So, I'm going to let that cool just for a millisecond here. We got a really nice gnarly tree. She looks so feminine. But I want more than that. I want the definition of the gnarliness, where the bark and all that goes to. We kind of experimented yesterday with that, right? Which is leading to this. That's how it works, people. Every experiment leads to an experiment. Whoa. Uh-oh. We're getting it. We're getting it, Peter. I don't know who Peter is, but it's something that an old boss used to say all the time when everything was going just the way he had hopefully planned it. And knew that he had the staff that was actually going to be able to pull it off. He'd say, "We're doing it, Peter. We're doing it." And I feel like that's what's happening here. I mean, I love this. Look at that tree. Oh my gosh. I'll just put a little bit there for you, baby. That's hot. Hot, hot. Don't do this, people. Okay. I have chef fingers. Yeah, heat tempered. You do not want these hands. Trust me. Alright. Alright, I'm going to let this cool off, guys. I'm going to get you a full shot. Oh, including all the rubber. When the rubber meets the tile or road or whatever, I don't know. Alright, so here's our the start of our gnarly tree. And it's not done. I'm going to do a little bit down here, kind of get, probably build a little bit more in there. But I like the top. It's going to be nice and bushy. And we're going to have 3 cats out here. We're going to have a moon over here. They're going to be on a hill. There's going to be rocks. We're going to have fun. And that's all I'm doing this evening. I'm just going to do these in little tiny chunks because, yeah, I want to do them right. You know, if these are going to... if these are going to be the illustrations in my my book, then I want them right. I don't want to take a chance of overdoing it and overtaxing my brain. All right, I love you guys. Let me know what you think. We're at 10 minutes. Yeah, I promise you, I will do a part 2 this evening, so you can. Well, you know what? Here's what I'll do. I'll just pause this right now. I'm not doing any more glue. I'm gonna let this cool off, and then I'll come back to you, and we'll decorate, and we'll get everything ready for tomorrow. That works. All right, guys. Real quickly, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the cats to the field. I haven't figured out exactly how it's gonna be yet, but I think definitely. Just like this. Haha. Okay. Wherever the kitties are is where we put the ground, right? I know you can't see him, it's so cool. Because as soon as I reveal this, you'll be like, OMG. Oh, that's what I'm saying. Alright, so let me show you real quick, because I can do that with the power of light. Okay, power of light. Get up here. Okay. Alright, power of light. Over here in the corner, here, I'll do this. Ta-da! Over here in the corner, lackadaisically, we have a sun. I don't know. There's got to be a better way to do this. The sun is here. We have 3 cats down here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, they're all kind of looking up here at the sun because the sun is apparently, he's got something to say. You know, there he is. Beautiful guy. As wise as the moon, but I don't know. They could be on different parallel universes. We don't know. There's the cats. Gotta get out some bubbles. I'm going to be building the ground underneath their feet. Probably tomorrow. This tree is gorgeous. I'm going to add some more to it. This is our gnarly tree, kind of like a take from the previous video where I painted one in. Now I kind of want a three-dimensional aspect to it, so really, it's kind of cool. I like it. Alright guys, so this is going to be Gato. And Gato's going to be playing with his siblings, and they're going to have a conversation with the sun right after enjoying some catnip. That could be interesting. Love you guys. Ciao bella. See you soon.